welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to rig and using weight paint mode step by step. Blender has a painting method that selects and assigns vertices to a group, automatically linking to an armature. I have also the weight paint over there. The paint method allows the graduated weight to be given to vertices that dictate how much influence the armature bone will have over deformation of the mesh. So as shown here, we have set up a new scene as we have did for previous examples. Let's select the finger in object mode like this. I've selected our mesh. Let's add an armature modifier. Go over here, click to add armature modifier in the properties editor as shown here. Don't forget to enter armature in the object panel like this. Click to add an armature. Select the armature and enter pose mode. Let's select the armature, then enter pose mode. In the properties editor object data buttons, have here object data buttons, Viewport Display Tab, go over here, Viewport Display Tab as shown here, click on it to expand. Go over names. Let's take names in order to display names of different bones in 3D Viewport Editor. The names should be Bone.001 and Bone.002 as shown here. When taking names, make sure you are in Object Data Properties button, not the bone properties. Not the bone properties. Make sure that you are in Object Data Properties as shown here. If you are in the object buttons, only the name armature will display. With the armature as the selected object in the 3D Viewport Editor, in pose mode should be launched to pose mode like this. Select Bone.002 as selected as shown here. The upper bone, then change to object mode. Let's go to object mode and left click the finger to select it. Then we should select the finger as shown here after selecting this Bone.002 in pose mode. With the finger selected, go to the 3D Viewport header and change from object mode to weight paint mode. Go over here, change to weight paint mode like this. As shown here in our tutorial, and you can see the finger is in blue color and you have this gradient of colors, the red also. So let's, in the tool panel, go over here. We have the tool panel at the left hand side of the 3D Viewport Editor. Have the draw tool, it's over there. The draw tool, select it in the header, click view and check tool settings. Should make sure that the weight and strength sliders are set to 1 like this. Weight and strength as shown here at the header of the Viewport Editor. You are about to paint over the finger mesh to select vertices and setting strength to a high value. You are telling Blender that selected vertices are to be rigorously controlled by Bone.002 as shown here. In weight paint mode, the cursor in the Viewport Editor is a circle as shown here. The radius control for the circle is in the header. You want to upper, so you can change the radius as shown here. It's going to be changing the radius for this draw tool. Therefore, click, hold and drag the cursor as shown here over the upper part of the finger. like this. So let's increase the strength, the radius of this draw tool like this. You should draw like this in order to see the effect. So in order to draw on both areas at the same time, shown here, you should make sure that the X-ray mode is turned on like this. Part of the finger painted turns red. So let's paint the other part. Just like this. Also, you should do it like this, surrounding this area, just to cover this section surrounding the Bone.002 as shown here in our tutorial. I think this will be fine. Having painted the finger, note that in the Properties Editor data buttons over here, vertex groups go over here, and make sure that vertex group has been created as shown here. Click on Bone.002 and you have so that we have created this area and painted the area which is assigned to Bone.002. By selecting Bone.002 in pause mode and rotating it will move. So let's try. Go back to pause mode. Go back to pause mode. Let's select the bone. It auto rotate is going to be rotating the bone like this, and that's pretty amazing. Also, you can repeat the process for the remaining bones using the same method. And that's it for this tutorial using white paint mode for rigging and assigning vertices to a bone. Thanks for watching.